this Clark matter, Mr. Berry.
May it please the board. This is a motion for entry of judgment against Mark Adrian Clark pursuant to Part 8 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Procedure. On February the 7th, 2011, a judgment of conviction by jury was entered in cause number CR 2010-276, count 2, styled the State of Texas versus Mark A. Clark in the 207th Judicial District Court of Comal County, Texas. Wherein Clark was found guilty of attempted sexual performance of a child. He was sentenced to 7 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, ordered to pay a $10,000 fine and cost of $553. Mr. Clark appealed his conviction under cause number 03-11-00085 in the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, 3rd District at Austin. An agreed interlocutory order of suspension was signed by this board on March the 28th, 2011. On February the 19th, 2014, a judgment and opinion were issued by the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals in cause number 03-11-00085CR, affirming the district court's judgment. The third court's mandate issued on July the 28th, 2014, and the motion for entry of judgment of disbarment was filed with this board on September the 3rd, 2014. Respondent was personally served with the motion and notice of hearing on September the 10th, 2014 by Jimmy D. Dickinson, a private process server, and proof of service of the motion for entry of judgment and disbarment was filed with the board on September the 26th, 2014. May I approach?
You may.
At this time, the commission would offer petitioner's Exhibit A, which is the opinion issued by the Third Court of Appeals. Exhibit B is the judgment entered by the Third Court of Appeals. Exhibit C is the mandate. Exhibit C is the mandate issued by the Court of Appeals, and Exhibit D is the original certificate of Blake A. Hawthorne, Clerk of the Supreme Court, dated October the 8th, 2014, which indicates that the respondent is licensed but not currently authorized to practice law in Texas. He's currently incarcerated in Huntsville, Texas, and we're seeking an entry of judgment of disbarment.
Exhibits A, B, C, and D will be admitted. Anything further?
That will be all, unless there are any questions.
Thank you. We'll take the Clark case under advisement.